Good morning, all. Camelback Trading 2724 and the pitfuturestrading.com coming to you this Tuesday morning, March 17th. We're looking at the market profile of the SPY ETF here on Window Trader. And here's yesterday's range. So, bunch of things for both camps to look for. So, for the past hour or so, we've been battling strictly inside M period. So that's going to be your first goal for either side. If you're a bull, you want to take out M's high, get above it. Here's your POC. We were 8 wide yesterday. Reference point, but not a firm one for me since I like 9 wide. So for the bulls, here's what they need to do today. First step, get above M period and accept it. Second then would be to get to K's high, which is the afternoon rally high. And if you're able to get accepted over that, yesterday's high. For the bears, same thing, but the opposite. First thing first, you have to win the battle of M period. If you take out M's low, the odds of taking out yesterday's low are very good. And if you take out yesterday's low, December 2018's low should fall. So that's the goal for both sides today. As far as destinations, on the upside, you have 251.04, which is our afternoon rally high. Then we have 256.50, which is our pre-market high as of now. Yesterday's high of 256.90, 257.10, 11 wide from March 13th, 271.08 daily high. For the downside, you have yesterday's low of 237.36, and then 233.76, which was the monthly low and yearly low of 2018, and I had given a bunch of other destinations on the downside in last night's video. So what's the game plan for this morning? Well, pretty simple. We have to see who wins M period. I'm not going to get involved if we're just battling inside M period, right? You're going to get a lot of chop. We're opening in value, in balance. That's going to be the first time in a while, right? We've been opening down 10, up 10, or right? We've had limit down 3 times. So this is the first time in a while we're opening in balance, in value. That's a market that's seeking more market-generated information. So let's get it prior to taking a trade, okay? Let them battle out an M period. If you get accepted above it, my big step is can we get a Gov K? You want to take a short, you can take a short here. Now remember, any trade inside of value is your least risk reward. If you take a short at K and get accepted above it, I'm out of the trade. If not, then you can see if we trade back down to yesterday's POC. Basically the same on the downside. You want to look at the opening from yesterday or M's low from yesterday to take a long play, you can do that. However, the more you get to M's low, the more you're going to be out of value. If you get accepted and take out yesterday's low, I would be out of that trade. But if you're to trade down, hold M's low, then I would look to get back to at least POC. Those are 2 early plays. The main goal for the bulls at some point also is to get back into Thursday and Friday's range, right? Right now we're down, one-time framing down. You want to at least get back into Thursday and Friday's range and then stop the one-time framing down. So those are 2 trades early. Again, market-generated information, no harm letting it form, especially with a market in balance, in value to open. We're averaging 227 million shares. You're going to get multiple opportunities. There's no reason to jump on board if you don't want to or don't have to early in the game. Now let's talk charts. We'll just do the weekly and the daily. So once again, the weekly is down, one-time framing down. For now, we've held that monthly low of 233.76. It's all baby steps. I would like to personally test that low and see what we get out of it to see if we get acceleration below it. If the long-term big boys come in and start selling it even more if we get below that. Because at some point I think it needs to be tested. So I would like to see that sooner rather than later. And then on the daily, what we just talked about on the market profile, right? With one-time framing down. Baby steps. You want to get back into Thursday and Friday's range. Take out yesterday's high to get back into that 2-day balance. If you're a bear, you want to stay below Thursday and Friday, take out yesterday's low, and test the monthly low and yearly low of 2018. Good luck trading today. Be smart. Have a great day. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.